In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva. Resizing images is one of the most common things you'll do in any design tool, and Canva makes it really simple. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation slide, or a thumbnail, being able to quickly adjust the size and position of an image will help your design look clean and professional. Let's start by going to your image in Canva. Open Canva in your browser or app and head to the design where your image is placed. This might be an existing project you're editing or a new design you've just started. Once the design is open, make sure the image you want to resize is already on the canvas. If it isn't, you can upload it from your computer or pick one from Canva's built-in image library, then place it onto your design area. Now, click directly on the image to select it. You'll see a border appear around the image with small circles or handles at the corners and sometimes along the sides. These handles are what you'll use to resize the image. To make the image larger or smaller, while keeping its proportions the same, move your mouse to one of the corners. Click and hold on the corner handle, then drag it inwards to make the image smaller or outwards to make it bigger. As you drag, you'll see the image resize in real time, so you can stop exactly when it looks right. Using the corner handles is the best way to avoid stretching or squashing your image, because it scales everything evenly. If you need a very specific size or want to fit the image into a particular space, take your time and adjust gradually. You can always undo if you go too far. If you accidentally distort the image, just release, press undo, and try again using a corner instead of a side. Once you're happy with the size, you can also move the image around on the canvas. Click anywhere on the image, hold down your mouse button, and drag it to a new position. This is useful for centering your image, aligning it with text, or placing it in the background or foreground of your layout. When everything looks good, release the mouse. Your image is now resized and positioned exactly where you want it in your Canva design.